Hi everyone and welcome back to Greybeard Journaling. As you can see, I'm not going to be journaling, so this is just me talking on camera about myself, about Liverpool Football Club, about the Anfield Road expansion, journaling, the other drone guys, my family. People wanted to know a little bit about me, so I'm using today as the opportunity. It's wet on and off outside. The wind's getting up, so time to get things off my chest. I moved to Liverpool over 8 years ago now to settle down with the wife who I met under the Paisley Gates, and I look back, I was born a Red, always followed Liverpool Football Club from my youngest days. I loved going to all the home and away games, wherever they were, travelling, whether it was Newcastle, Sunderland, Middlesbrough, or down to London for Arsenal, Tottenham, Chelsea, Crystal Palace, even though that ground was just horrible to get to, but Midlands clubs, wherever, just enjoyed the adventure, travelling to watch the Reds play. Being in the COP, block 205 was always my block. There many seasons. Just loved it. Meeting up with everybody in the Sandon for a pint or two or three, and then going over to watch the lads play on the pitch. Didn't get better than that. Yeah, age can't slow down or stop. I'm nearly 50 now, hence the grey. My name's Wayne, by the way. I should have said that at the start, but hey ho. Moving on. I got into journaling about 16 months ago. I was watching YouTube videos. I saw Mr. Drone doing his thing around the city, and I thought I would love to do that. Absolutely love it. KC Imageworks, I started watching them also, and just after he hit 3,500 subscribers, or maybe a bit more than that, 4,000. I did my first flight with my new toy, my new drone, a DJI Mini 2. I loved it. The channel took off a little bit, slow in parts, but picked up. Yeah, I thought finally found a hobby for me, other than following Liverpool, my second big hobby. So why did I disappear suddenly for 6 months? We're going to get there now. A couple of years ago, or maybe just more than that, I suffered a mini stroke, and the place it happened was actually, I was at Anfield. I was by the store. I was having my photo taken on the Bob Paisley, Emmeline Hughes statue by the wife. I stood up, started staggering forward, slowly going to the left. No idea what the hell was going on at the time. Thump, 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 bang, bang, bang in my head. I had no idea what the hell was going on. The wife knew exactly what was going on. She's a nurse. She's worked in the Royal for many years. Stroke nurse on the stroke ward. She knew exactly what the hell I was going through, and when I finally came around, yeah, I kind of knew where I was, but the only one thing that was in my mind at that time was to get home. Strange, I know, but I just started walking pretty quickly. My head was still in pain. Whether there was a junction, whether the traffic lights were on green or red, didn't matter to me. I'd walk in front of a car if I had to. I wasn't stopping. I needed to get home. That's all my head was telling me. You need to get home. As soon as I finally got home, thanks to the wife showing me and stopping me here and stopping me there and guiding me back home safely. The ambulance was called. Had the tests done, the brain scans in the Royal, and then more taken at Aintree. Yeah, the mild stroke, I was lucky. but it affected my life, and I had to change the way I lived from there on in. So the 6 months I disappeared from drowning, when I thought my channel was finally starting to go somewhere, it was probably due to the stroke, because ever since I suffered it, I've been losing memories. My mind has been deteriorating quite rapidly as well, some weeks. Just the simplest things I get told every day just goes by the click of a finger. I try to carry on the best I can. I try to live on with and deal with it. But I fell into depression, quite serious depression. I turned to the drink, and it just got out of hand. That's where I was for 6 months, trying to beat the next stage of the deterioration of my health. I've lost a lot of weight, stopped eating, but I finally got over it. I finally came back, so I got the drone out again, hence me making more videos at Anfield Road. So I'm not a newbie flying a drone. I was there just after Casey started, but following them on YouTube, along with Mr. D, Paul Frost and Craig Adventure, who's turned into a fantastic mate. He's been great to talk to. All these drone guys I talked to on the WhatsApp group, they accepted me. They're the top 4 drone guys for me, and they accepted me, and I'm trying to learn from them now moving forward. It's hard at times with the channel because I feel like I'm at a standstill with it. I try to do my own little take on things when I'm flying around the Anfield Road. I don't normally do voiceovers or talk on camera like the other guys because maybe they're confident. I'm not confident. Should I be? I can work on it. I can move forward and try new things. I'm going to fight it, carry on, because I'm positive. I nearly relapsed, but I'm going to carry on fighting it. I've got the buzz for journeying. I see how much they're all enjoying it and the kind of detail they're showing, especially Paul Frost and Mr. Drone and Casey, who goes into a lot of voice talk on the kind of things that are happening at the ground. I would love to do that. I would absolutely love to do it. I haven't got the equipment for now, but droning, I need to carry on wherever it goes. If the channel makes it, fantastic. If it doesn't, I couldn't give a shite. At the end of the day, I'm doing what I'm enjoying, so I'll carry on. You're always going to get the snide comments on YouTube, like some idiot yesterday said to me after I did the audio for the first time, speak English. Is this not English enough for you? I'm from Shropshire, lad. Didn't get any more English than that. So you're always going to get comments like that. I think they're smart, but nothing smart about it, to be fair. And then you get the positiveness that I can feed from. You're the ones I do it for. I don't do it for them. Negative, idiotic, whatever. I do it for the positive vibe. And that's who I carry on for. I've got a family, I've got friends, I've got my job, I've got LFC, and I've got this hobby, so I can take on the chin criticism. We're all here for that. That's part of daily life, but people who say shit like, speak English, or do you want me to speak fucking Chinese? I can swear. There's a lot of swearing on YouTube also, so there you go. People like that get under your skin for a reason. They want a reaction. They're not worth a reaction, to be fair. I was always going to do a recording on camera about talking about life after the stroke and carrying on with the drone work, following Liverpool, living life. People try and put you down no matter what you're doing, whether you're droning or not. You get the idiot. There's always an idiot. Simple as. So enough said about them. Airtime, too much already. We go forward. Okay, what can we learn? You learn to deal with things health-wise. You learn to be positive. You learn to hold on to what you are used to holding on to and carry it through to the end. And that's what I'm doing right now. So thanks for watching. I've got a lot of things off my chest. Quick thanks to all the drone guys who accepted me onto that group, the WhatsApp group. You're the inspiration for me to carry on going now. My wife, my family, their support I've been getting. I wouldn't have done it all without you guys, so this is Greybeard Droning saying thank you, and see you for the next video. I'll try and do a voiceover. If not, I'll carry on doing what I'm doing. I'll either get there or won't. It's just important to carry on. Thank you.